Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change a battery on a Dyson V10. First of all, just locate the screw on the rear near the handle. That's one out, and then if you just locate the other two screws, there's three altogether. These two are just on the bottom of the battery. These can sometimes be a little bit tricky to get out. Once you've got both screws out, the battery simply then just pops out of place. And then if you just get your replacement battery, it just slides up, make sure it's entirely in, and what I would do is I would start with the screw that's on the rear of the handle. This way you know that the battery is securely fastened in. Just remember not to over tighten the screws. And then again at the bottom you've got the two more screws, and again just be careful that you don't over tighten them. There you go, that's how to change a Dyson V10 battery. Subscribe for more.